दिख रहा है ना? यस, नॉट विजिबल नाउ, लेट मी सी दिस. Yes, please ask your doubt. Now you can type the number which is written on the screen. Yes. Okay. Can you type the number? Yes, Farina, very nice. Now, what is your doubt, you ask? What is your doubt? Someone was speaking that he has a doubt. Who was speaking?
Hello, sir. I'm Prakash.
Prakash, what is your doubt? You tell me.
Sir, yesterday I sent you mistake. You asked me to find 8t equals to 3 पे more multiplication. I didn't find, sir. I didn't understand how it will exceed 6.
You type your question in the chat, then I will answer this question. ठीक है? Okay, yes. Any other person has any doubt?
Sir, in the last time when we did that processing thing, sir,
So
31,
who are
32
you? Who are you?
Pradyumna.
Please tell your name.
Pradyumna, sir. Pradyumna.
Okay, type whatever you are saying, you type it. How many multiplications will take place? Yeah, tell me how many multiplications will take place. Answer it.
Sir, according to me, sir, 6, sir.
According to you, it is 3. No, it is not correct.
6, sir. 6.
6, you are fully correct. Now you tell a time t equal to 4.
8t equals to 4. 4, 3, 7, 10, sir.
10, yes. Provided that m and n are sufficiently large. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if one of them is small, then they will not take place.
Yes, sir. That answer for like n cross n matrix for something like that.
Okay. Yes. Is your doubt clear, Prakash?
But sir, you asking me to find more multiplication. 8t equals to 3, sir.
No,
that I don't understand.
I think that time you only gave 3. I wanted that you should write all 6. You only gave 3.
Oh, so I write only 2, which are mistakes.
Okay, you type, then it will become clear to you. Okay? In the process architecture, what is the use of E register? They are more or less hypothetical registers. Is it correct? Okay, I might have taught you A, B, C, D, E. A is MAR, B is MBR, C is PC. What is D? D, E, they are general purpose register. They are not doing some specific work. But when we go in a great detail, then even they are assigned some base register, index register that will be taught to you. It's system programming. So you have, Prakash, you have written only this.
Yes,
Padula,
sir.
are you satisfied? Padula, are you satisfied?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Now,
I write.
you have written only 2.
Yes, sir, because only these 2 are wrong in those. Left 4 are correct, sir.
I cannot understand it.
सर ये 2 ही गलत थे जो आपने 6 टर्म्स लिखी थी, 6 में से बस ये 2 ही गलत थे, इसलिए मैंने 2 ही लिखी सही आंसर विद सही आंसर।
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है तुम्हारी बात, जो भी लिखना है पूरा आंसर लिख डालो, फिर मैं समझ पाऊंगा, ठीक है? यू आर राइटिंग am-1 will be multiplied by b1r-1. Okay, we have to think about it. am-2 will be multiplied by b1r. Okay, it will be 2 am-1. I think it is at what time? am-1 2. Okay, because we have to understand am-1 2. Yes, you are fully correct. am-1 will be multiplied by this, and yes, these 2 are correct, but there may be few more corrects. Is it correct? Any other doubt? Now, whether the whatever is written here, is it clearly visible? Okay, whatever has been written here, is it clearly visible? Or its size is to be, we should zoom it?
Yes, sir, is correct, is visible correctly.
Easily, now we don't have to zoom it.
Yes, sir.
You write 6 multiplication at time t equal to 3, and these 2, no, these 2 are correct.
You
These
write
2 are
wrong,
correct.
sir,
They are
in
not
that.
wrong. They are not wrong. They are correct.
Sir, for let me
So
see.
I
For
only send these 2 multiplication. No, these 2 are correct.
yes, sir, these 2 are correct, but in Notepad, you 2 wrong, sir. You match am-1 comma 1 with
am-1 comma 1 will be multiplied with b1 comma r-1. It is fully correct. Okay.
but you write, sir, 1 comma r-2, sir.
No, that is correct. Na? bm-1 comma 1 will be multiplied by b1 comma r-1. It is correct.
Yes, sir, it
Why
is correct.
wrong? You see,
It is correct, sir. It is not wrong.
you see, am1 will be multiplied by b1 comma r-2. Is it correct? It will be multiplied by this. What I wrote, Gaurav?
In Notepad, you write, sir, for am-1 comma 1.
Now, by the same logic, am-1 comma 1 will be multiplied by, it will be going with 1 back, b1 comma r-1. Okay, what I wrote is r-2, it will be r-1. Okay, am-2 comma 1 will be multiplied by b1 comma r. Is it all right? What is the problem?
Yes, sir, this is all right.
It is all right. So this is as far as 1 is concerned. Now let us think in terms of 2. am2 will be multiplied by what? Is it correct? Then let us think with terms of am3 will be multiplied by what? Is it correct? So we should be thinking in terms of that. Is this all right to you?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt?
Sir, I've written my query in the chat, sir.
Any more question?
Sir, we have written in the chat, sir.
Yes, I am seeing this. Okay, in the connection of P and Q, can you explain once again A prime B? What is A prime B in the connection of P and Q? What is P and Q? It is not clear to me.
No, sir, that we used to represent a Boolean expression in the form of connection between P and Q. One architecture.
Logic, no, I have not understood it. Yeah, what is A prime B and P and Q are connected? What is P and Q?
Sir, P and Q are two connection points, sir. We have the current flows from P to Q.
It is not becoming clear in which context you are talking about. Is it correct?
Sir, I guess he's saying about logic gates and
Or you
circuit
type it
diagram.
in the chart, then it will become clear. In the sorting in parallel computation, can we write the total number of computers is equal to maximum of left shift and maximum? No. Minimum of? No. Wrong. Is it correct? Electronic circuit. It is not clear to me where I talked about P and Q and A prime B. Where I talked about? No, Gaurav, no. Whatever you are writing, Gaurav, it is wrong.
Why,
Suppose we
sir?
write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, now, suppose by chance this one has been shifted from here to here. Now, how many computers are needed? Can you tell me? From your, you apply your formula and tell me, is it correct? Yes. Okay. Yes. But according to your formula, what? Acha, in the context of P and Q. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, you are fully correct. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Condition of current flow. Who is asked this question? And Gaurav. And who has asked me this question? Yogesh. Okay. PQ. So using switches A and B. Okay, I have somehow forgotten it. Yogesh, can you send me a mail? Yogesh?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, you send me a mail, then I will recollect it and then I will answer this. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Or are you free at 12 o'clock after this class?
Yes, sir.
Then we can discuss at that time. Is this correct?
Okay, sir. Okay.
I have almost forgotten about this. Is this correct? Yes. Who else is the question? Padula. And you send me a
Yes,
mail
sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, sir.
that we did it. Condition for
Yes,
current flow. Gaurav Jain. Yes, Gaurav. Now you see from your formula how much we are getting from your formula. You wrote this formula. Okay. What is maximum left shift? Maximum left shift is 3. 1, 2, 3. And what is maximum right shift? Because 1 will be shifted by 3 amount. It has to be shifted. It has lost its location by 3 amount. And 2, because the location of 1 is 1. But here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The location of the 1 has been lost by 3. But the location of 2 is 2. And here it is showing 1. So it has been lost by 1. But it has been lost in some other direction. Is it correct? So the maximum of the left shift required, 1 requires maximum left shift of 3. Is this correct? The Gaurav Jain is telling that if we can reverse the algorithm, then we can optimize. But for that, we need to know beforehand what site to start with. No, that will also not become helpful. Because this will take more, fine. But if we reverse it, then it will take less. Okay? It will take less. I can understand it will take less. Then it can be done in 1 unit time. But the problem will be coming in that case. If we reverse it, the problem will be coming if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By chance, if a person writes 7 in the beginning, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If by chance if a person writes this, then if we reverse it, it will take a lot of time. Patel, are you clear about it? Who is telling about the reversing part of it? Are you clear?
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
Sir, like depends on the given array, we can choose among ourselves like which algorithm which we want to use. Depending on maximum number of left shift or right shift, we can calculate it in O of 1 time.
No. No. Who are speaking? Gaurav, are you speaking?
Yes, sir.
No, but the problem will be this, that do you realize the mistake in your formula? What is maximum left shift?
It's 3.
It is 3.
Yes,
Means
sir.
for 1. But
Yes,
what
sir.
is maximum right shift? It is for 2, 3 and 4. It is by 1. So
Yes,
maximum
sir.
right shift is 1 and minimum of them is 1. Is this correct?
Yes, sir, but like we can input a reverse array And
You
like
see, if we shall start doing the reverse path, the problem will be coming with this.
sir,
You see,
but no,
in
we
this
can like
algorithm, this will
uh,
take 1. In this algorithm, okay, now we shall start with the class, and if you are free, we can discuss when the class is over, or even tomorrow we can discuss. Is this
okay,
correct?
sir.
Or we can
Okay,
even discuss on the mail also.
okay, sir.
Or some time we can be fixed on Saturday, Sunday. Then we can even talk in MS Team also. Is this correct? But you send me a mail. Discussion in the mail will be more useful. Now, today we shall be talking about pipeline. We shall talk about pipeline architecture. What is a pipeline architecture? An instruction is done in stages. An instruction is done in 4 stages. Of course, this 4 may be reduced also, but we are looking in general. And these stages are instruction fetch, we write it as IF, fetch operand, we can write it as FO, compute, we can write it as CP, compute, and then store result. We can write it as SR. So we are doing it in 4 stages. Okay, let us see this. Suppose we want, let values of A, B, C, D are A equal to 23, B equal to 67, C equal to 82, and D equal to 45. Now, we want to do it C equal to A plus D. We are doing C equal to A plus B. Okay, this is first instruction which is to be done. Now, let us think. During the time t equal to 0 to 10, we shall fetch. We shall, in the instruction register, the machine code of C equal to A plus D will be stored. Indirectly, we are trying to know what is to be done. This will be determined in first 10 units of the time. Depending upon the delay of the gates, it may even take less time. That is why I am telling. The process will start at time t equal to 0, and the process will end before time t equal to 10 with a guarantee. So during this time, we shall be doing instruction fetch. Instruction fetch will be done. Instruction fetch. Now, then during this time, 10 and certainly less than 20, we shall be doing fetch operand. Means you remember that we shall be doing S is equal to A and T equal to B. This work, T is equal to B, this work will be done during the time T equal to 10 to 20. This work will be done during the time T equal to 10 to 20. Now let us further proceed. Now, time 20 to 30. start at 20, but certainly finish 30, and if the delay is less, much before 30. So this is the maximum amount of the delay which we have assumed. We shall do R is equal to S plus T. Now, during the time 30 to 40, during the time 30 to 40, we shall store the result. So what we are going to do? We are going to do C equal to R. So this is the work which will be done during the time 30 to 40, including 30 but excluding 40. So it will be done in 4 stages. Is this correct? Now let us see. Suppose we want to do one more instruction afterwards. K is equal to C plus 10. 10. During the time t equal to 0 to 10, the instruction fetch of the first instruction was done, and it is over by the time 10. So from time t equal to 10, we shall start the instruction fetch of the second instruction, and it will be done during the time 10 to 20. During the time 10 to 20, we shall see what instruction is to be done. Then during this time, S is equal to A. What is A? A equal to 23. And T equal to D. What is T? This is equal to 45. This will be done during the time 10 to 20. Now we shall try to fetch this S is equal to C. What is C? Can you tell me what is C? Value of C, anyone can tell me? Yes. Because what we started at time t equal to 10 and not at time t equal to 0? No, Chitesh, you are wrong. It is not 68. The value of C has become 68 only sometime between 30 to 40. When it has become C 68, we don't know. But certainly at the time t equal to 20, when we tried to take the value of C, at that time it was not that. So this is 82 only. Do you agree? Now one question was asked, why did we start from time t equal to 10, not at t equal to 0? What we started at time t equal to 10? Instruction fetch of the second instruction or fetch operand of the first instruction. Why we cannot start at time t equal to 0 the instruction fetch of the second instruction? Because the fetch unit of the microprocessor is not free. Fetch unit of the microprocessor was fetching the first instruction during the time t equal to 0 to 10. Then it starts fetching from time t equal to 10 to 20. Is your doubt clear, Rohit? And any more doubt? Then few people wrote it 68. Manda. So do you realize that why you wrote like this? Is this correct? हेलो, अभी क्लास चल रही है, बाद में बात करूंगा. Now we see this, that why it cannot be 68. It cannot be 68 because the value of the 68 is become value of the 68 somewhere between the time 30 to 40 only. Is it correct? So here the value of C is 82. Now, from time t equal to 30 to 40, we shall compute R is equal to S plus T, and 82 plus 10 is 92. Such computation will take place. And here S plus T is 68. And we shall store the result. At what time we shall be storing the result? We shall be storing the result from time t equal to 40 to 50. So here k is equal to 92. K is equal to 92 will be done during the time 40 to 50. So this is what should become clear to you. Is this clear to you or any doubt? Yes, because we have know what are SMT registers. You see this picture? In this picture, can you see SMT register? Then a gate is opened. Then somewhere here we can assume that there will be an R register, which stores the value of their summation. Pradumala, is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
Swaroop, you type your roll number. This is very good thing which you have asked, and the solution of this will be taught in one of the future classes. Is it correct? But for the time being, let us assume that S and T used for these instructions are different. Sir, in this case, there was no overlap as C was modified in time t equal to 30 to 40 duration. But is there an overlap sometime? Tell me the example. It was an overlap was there. Because the value of the C is getting modified somewhere at the time 30 to 40, and the value of the C has been getting used at time t equal to 20. There was an overlap. Is it correct? And because of this, the answer has not come out as 78, the answer has come out as 92. And we shall think how it is to be handled. Is it correct? Yes. Any other question which you want to ask, you ask. Anyway, you have found the mistake. Whatever I was teaching, you also type your roll number. Now, is there any problem, any doubt related with this? Okay. Any doubt related with this? Why we call it as a pipeline? Because two instructions are getting executed in parallel. Then why do we call it pipeline? We should call parallel processing. No, it is not parallel processing. Vector processing was parallel. interconnection scheme was parallel, but this is not parallel. Why they were parallel? Interconnection scheme was parallel because multiplication of many numbers was going in parallel at the same time done. There were multiple computers were there, and multiple computers were connected themselves under some style. But here there is only one computer. So there is no question of parallel processing. Of course, computer has got a parts. One of the part of the computer is instruction fetch unit. Another part of the computer is, you see, no, they are not executed in parallel. Parallel processing is possible only when multiple resources are there. But here no resource is duplicated. So no question of parallel. Different stages of different instructions can happen simultaneously. But one stage happen at the same time. Swaroop, I want to again type your roll number, which is again 65. This is what there is a difference between pipeline and parallelism. In parallelism, resources are duplicated, but in pipeline resources are not duplicated. We have one computer. One computer has got independent parts. One of them is instruction fetch unit. One of them is fetch operand unit. What is k equal to c plus 10? If we write c equal to c plus 10, then at time t equal to 30 to 40, c will be modified simultaneously. No, Gaurav, it will not take place. Let us see. If we write here c equal to c plus 10, then c equal to 92 will take place. So what is going to happen? The value of the c will become 68 and will remain 68 for some time. And after some time, it will become 92 and stay as 92. Gaurav, is your doubt clear? Fully correct. Devrup, you have also told it very correct. Is it correct? Yes. You see, during the time t equal to 30 to 40, the value of c is modified as 68. And again it is modified at 92 during the time 40 to 50. What is your doubt? So the stay value will be 92, but some intermediate value will be 68. Is this thing clear to you? Yes, c value will be updated twice. Fully correct. What else is your doubt? What else is your doubt? It is not clear to Gaurav. Why can't R be modified in 20 to 30 only in second step? You see, first instruction is getting done and then the second instruction is getting done. Is it correct? So first instruction will modify R and the second instruction will modify R. Is this correct? Yes. The value of C between 20 to 30 is certainly 82. I have answered your question. That is correct. 82. Any more doubt now? How it is possible that it is assigned 92 first and 68 later? It is not at all possible. It is not at all possible. No. Somewhere from 30 to 40, 68 is assigned, and somewhere between 40 to 50, 92 is assigned. So final value will state 92 only. Yes. Sequence is instruction fetch, then fetch operand, then compute, then store result. And for each instruction, it starts at the time multiple of 10. Then it becomes over. Depending upon the delay of the gates, we cannot say. Is it correct? Gaurav, are you satisfied? No, wrong. Jaspreet, you are wrong. In C equal to C plus 10, second instruction should be S is equal to C equal to 82 time T. Why time T equal to 10? During the time T equal to 20 to 30. But in first step, we update R in time T equal to 30, 20 to 30. Yes. We are updating R in time T equal to 30 to 30. Yes. And in the second step, we are updating R. Yes. Yes. Because there is a shift. There is a skew. Instruction fetch of two instructions are not done in parallel. They are done one after the other only. Fetch operand of one instruction and instruction fetch of another instruction is getting done in parallel. During the time 30 to 40, we are doing C equal to R and we are doing R equal to S plus T, or we have R equal to S plus T, then C equal to R. Which operations? Okay. You see, they are getting done in parallel. Probably your doubt is that R used by this and the R used by this are same or different. Is this correct? We are assuming that the S and C, S, T and R for every instructions are different. But truly speaking, it is not the case. So there is a method. Some stage pipeline method is used, which I will teach you in one of the future classes. Who was asking me this question? (20 to 30) and these are same thing. Okay, starting from 20 and finishing before 30. What is the problem, Sai? That is correct. Yes, I forgot. T equal to 10 should be there. Yes, I forgot. Any more doubt? No, you see, if we want C equal to A plus B plus 10, normally at the level of the instructions, we don't carry out more than one operation at one time. If we want to do A plus B plus 10, then we shall write K equal to A plus B and C equal to K plus 10. It will be broken into two parts. Is this thing is all right? Yes. There are different SNT for the time being. For the today's lecture, there are different SNT, but we cannot keep different SNT. Yes. Now, maybe that you might have typed your doubt and I have not answered your doubt. It might have gone away. Then you type your doubt again. Is it correct? I might have missed your doubt. Or whether there is any doubt is remaining, then you type again. Okay. So everything is clear. Now let us to write few more instructions, then the things will become clear fully. Okay. So how we should write? So we should write time we are breaking the time in this way. We are breaking the time, and then we are writing down the instructions. A is equal to A, C equal to A plus B. Its instruction fetch will be done during the time 0 to 10. Then fetch operand S is equal to A is 23 and T equal to D 45 will be done during this much time. Yes, yeah, you are correct. 10 is a gap in clock cycle. We assume that the internal functioning of delays of various gates in combined will not be more than 10 units. Is it correct? In carrying out the operation, a sequence of AND OR gates will be followed, and total delay involved will be at most 10. Is this okay, Manthan? Now, during the time 20 to 30, R equal to 68 will be done, and during the time 30 to 40, C equal to 68 will be done. Now, we are carrying out C equal to C plus 10. Its instruction fetch will be done No, you see, we have to choose some amount. Is it correct? So we should say time equivalent to 1 clock cycle. Is this clear to you? So you assume that a time equivalent to 1 clock cycle it is. Is this correct? Yes. Certainly it will be in nanoseconds. Then S equal to C, and the value of the C is 82, and T equal to 10 is done. I think, we are going so much in detail. I think we can discuss sometimes it on the mail. You find out the definition of the clock cycle from the net, then we shall argue about it. Yes, this will be a very inefficient way, and it was getting used in very old microprocessors. Till an instruction is fully over, other instructions should not start. And what you have written it 4 into 10 is not required. You should write down 3 into 10. Is this correct? Okay, but that was done many years back, and now microprocessors don't use it. Is it correct? Now microprocessors have not only 4 stages but many more stages, and we shall see in future classes that a stage is also divided into sub stages. The reason being, here we are doing S into T, and here we are also doing S into T, and here R is equal to S into T. Suppose the speed of this S and T is very fast, then this S and T will start disturbing the computation of this R. Is this correct? How this is getting handled, that we shall talk about in future classes. Is it correct? Yes. So what is the name? Shrihansh. Whatever you are saying was true in old. We want to make our processors very fast. How the speed is developed? One of the methods is to reduce the clock cycle length. But reduction of the clock cycle length has become impossible after 1990-80. Why? Because we have made the size sufficiently small and the distances are atomic distances. You cannot reduce the size and the speed, nothing can move faster than the speed of the light, and the distance is at the level of the atomic. So much more reduction in the speed, increase in the speed cannot be done. Much more reduction to do one instruction fully cannot be done. So that limit is 40, and we have become quite sure that in future out of 40 we can make it 20. But don't think that out of 40 we shall ever be able to make it 40 by 100. Okay? Much more improvement in the speed and instruction getting done is not possible. Now, how our speed of a computer is increased? A second instruction start should not wait till the first instruction is over. It can be carried out before it. For example, two instructions may not be of the type C equal to A plus D. Second instruction can very easily be K equal to G plus 10. In that case, no problem will arise. So that is what is to be done. Is this correct? But if sometimes we are forced to do this, C equal to A plus D and C equal to C plus 10, then how it is to be achieved? This method R will be developed by introducing NOP instructions, no operation instruction, which will fetch an instruction but will not compute anything, which we shall see slowly and slowly. But that is a part of software more than the hardware. Is your doubt clear? Okay, now. Can actually happen in time. It is not clear to me what you are speaking. Is it clear? What is open window is not clear to me. This can happen in time 5 seconds. You see, delay in the gate is variable delay. Of course, I have taught it. Delay in the NOT gate is 5, but delay in one NOT gate may be 5 and delay in another NOT gate may be 7. Not only that, delay in the same gate and different time could be different. But we know that at most it will be 10. Is it correct? Okay. Now, we shall carry out ST R equal to 92 will be done. And the clock time, cycle time is fixed and same for every stage of the instruction. It is correct. For every instruction, it is not fixed because these instructions are getting done in 4 stages. But there may be few instructions which are taking only 3 stages or 2 stages. So in that case, is it correct? So time to do an instruction is not fixed. Time to do any stage of an instruction is fixed. Okay. And here we shall carry out C equal to 92. Is your doubt clear? Any more doubt you ask? Let us further proceed. We are carrying out K equal to C plus 2. Its instruction fetch will start here. It will try to take the value of S is equal to T, S is equal to C. You see, value of C will be updated between the time t equal to 30 to 40, and later on we shall see with some guarantee that after 35. Later on we shall decompose these stages into two parts. Then it will become guarantee. Now, and we need the value of C right at the time t equal to 30 sharp. Rather, I should say 30 minus. In that case, it will certainly be taken as 82 only. And now P equal to 2. Now R equal to 84 will be done. And then K equal to 84 will be done. Now, let us further proceed. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. In this way we proceed. Now, the next instruction is U equal to C plus I and B equal to C plus 3. How these instructions will be done? Its instruction fetch will start at this time. And here S equal to C will be done. What is C? The value of because the original value of C, because you see the value of C has become, no, that the value of the C Manthan Patel has become at time t equal to 68. Is this correct? It has become 68 between the time 30 to 40. Certainly lesser than 40, but certainly not at 30. In somehow we should mention it. And later on, when we shall divide it into stages, then it will be taken as 35. Certainly after 35, but certainly before 40, when we shall subdivide it. Is it correct? Right at the time t equal to 30, the value will be 82 only. Is this correct? Yes. Is your doubt clear? Manthan? S is equal to C. Now the value of C has become equal to 68. And T is equal to 5. And here the value of R will become 68 plus 5 as 73. And here the value of U will become equal to 73. Now let us see this next instruction. Its instruction fetch will be done here. Now what is going to happen? Here S is equal to C. What is C? At this time C is 92 and T is equal to 3. So here R is equal to 95 will be done, and later on the value of V will become 95. Is your doubt fully clear? Okay. So we have studied the instructions which were required in 4 stages. Is this thing is all right to you? Is your doubt clear? Any more doubt now?
Sir, scroll the chat.
I have seen it. What is the problem? Yes. Why we take 30 minus? You remember that we were talking about a memory element, then we wrote something of this type, that when the value of the t changes from 0 to 1, then the data moves from this place to that place. We shall study that once more. According to that logic, it will come as 30 minus. Is this correct? Okay. But at present, Gaurav can also not understand what is 30 minus. Okay. Even Gaurav cannot understand it. Is this correct? But for the time being, you take it like this. Okay. Now, any doubt? Okay. So we have studied the 4 label instructions. Is this correct? Now, let us study something more. Suppose there is an instruction of this type. Print or j equal to 80. Then this will become instruction fetch of the j equal to 80, and the value of 80 is directly available in the CPU. We don't have to bring it out from the memory. Here you see A, B, C, D, they were memories. But the 80 is not a memory. 80 is stored in the instruction itself. So now here itself, we don't need any more work to be done. And here itself, in the next instruction itself, J can be done as 80. Is this all right to you? Suppose we would have done this instruction. K is equal to B. Then, so we have seen that an instruction simply requires only 2 stages also. It is only requiring the 2 stages also. Suppose we are doing, so what will happen, that here the instruction fetch will be done. Here we shall fetch the operand. So we shall take some register in which the value of B will be brought inside the microprocessor. Let me assume that my register is some register name. Let us call it for the time being S. Of course, it is not S. Then S will be taking the value of B, which is 67. And the store is no compute. There is no compute. And here K equal to 67 can be done. Because why? We need time to read the memory. So it will be done into 3 stages. No, it will not wait for the value of C to change. If it will wait for the value of C to change, then there is no problem. Then there is no need to teach this lecture. Problem is, and then all the answers will be correct. But you see, C equal to A plus D, this is 68. Now C equal to C plus 10 should be 78, but it is not coming out to be 78, it is coming out to be 92. That is why this thing has been taught to you. Is they proof? Is it clear to you? For U equal to C plus 5, it is really 68 only. Why the value of C is 68 for U equal to C plus 5? You see, U equal to C plus 5, you see, I have taken it as 68. Sai, can you see this? For U equal to C plus 5, it has been taken as 68 only. What is your doubt? Devrup, is your doubt clear?
Sir, so all things are happening at...
Just 1 minute. before the present time period and involving the present time period, like 40 to 46, 92 is there. During 40 to 50, C equal to 92 is there, but not during 40 to 50. During 40 to 50, C equal to 92 will be done, but certainly it will not become over by the time T equal to 41. It will become over certainly after time T equal to 45 and certainly before time T equal to 50. Somehow we shall manage it. During the time T equal to 40 to 50, C equal to 92 will be done. But value of C, we shall see how it will be updated after time T equal to 45 only. Is this thing has been clear to you? What else is your doubt?
Just scroll down.
Yes, instruction fetch does not happen in parallel. All the instruction fetch are separate. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Where it is, I have made it parallel? Wrong. J equal to 80, I made it parallel. Wrong. It should not be done in parallel. It should be done here. And it should be done here. I made it mistake. Okay, Gaurav, I want to record, not IF should start at 60 to 70. Okay. Yes. But many people told it. So I cannot recall the roll number. Chitesh told it. Fadula told it. Sai Celeste told, many people told it. So I cannot recall the roll number. No, it is not the same time. I missed it. I made a mistake. Yes, any person was asking the question. Please ask. Please tell me what is your question. Ask your doubt. Any question, maybe that I have missed your question. You type your question or speak your question again. Then we shall proceed. Is this all right? So we were studying the instructions of various types. Suppose there was one instruction, print, say, and print K. So what is going to happen? Its instruction fetch will start here. Then here it will do fetch operand. Suppose in S, it will try to bring the value of K. And K has equal to 67 has become at then actual printing will take place. Print what is K? What is K here? K is certainly not 67, K is 84. And print 84 will take place here. Is this understood it? Any doubt related to this? Yes. Okay. Now, we shall write this and I will ask you what will be the output of this particular program. Suppose the initial values of A, B, C, D are these. Print A, print B, Let's see. Go to K. This is our K. Print D. Print E. Print F. Now, yes, normally we shall assume that because in pipeline, even if few instructions can be done fast, but we have to make all instructions of the same, all stages at the same site. We have to make it. It becomes compulsory to make it. Otherwise, pipelining will not work. So even if it can be done much earlier, so we have to waste time by this method. Is this correct? We have to waste time because many things can be done faster. For example, instruction fetch may take 10 unit time, but compute may not require that much time. So for the timing, we are making everything of equal time. Is it correct? So that pipelining is getting done. But truly speaking, even that is not the case. Is this all right? Yes. But for the timing, let us assume like that. Now, what will be the output of this program? At least type first 6 numbers. Type the first 6 numbers. Of course, 23, 67, 82 is fully wrong. Because if this would have been such a easy answer, then I would not have asked it. Someone is writing like this. One person is writing like this. 23, 67, 82, 45, 26, 71. I don't know what is the logic behind it. Okay? 23, 67, 82, 23, 67, 82, 23, 67, 82. Wrong. Why you write 26? Now let us see what is going to happen. Is this correct? Yes. Now many people are writing it correctly. Let us see how this thing will happen. Let us make the time 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now, here its instruction fetch will be done. Here, its instruction fetch will be done. Here, its instruction fetch will be done. Here, go to K will be translated to PC equal to 0. Here, its instruction fetch will be done. And here, PC will be made to 0. And here, Since the value of the PC is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, here its instruction fetch will be done. Now the value of PC have changed to 0, hence the 0th instruction will be done, hence its instruction fetch will be done here. So our output will be 23, 67, 82, 45, 23, 67, 82, 45 in cycle. Can you understand this? Is it correct? Yes. Class over. Discussion can be done.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
I will repeat it. If you don't have any other class, then you should stay. Otherwise, you can go away. Yes. You can see everything from the picture. It need not to be repeated. Why the instruction fetch of print D has been done? Because the value of the PC has become 0 somewhere between the time 45 and 50. At time the value of 40, the value of the PC was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. The value of PC have increased in a normal manner. And the value of the PC has become 0 only at time t equal to 45 onward. So at time t equal to 50, the value of PC is 0. But at time t equal to 40, the value of the PC is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. So fourth instruction is also done. Any doubt? Lot of scope of discussion through mail. Okay, fine. If you don't have a class, then you stay, otherwise you go. What else is your doubt? It cannot be done. You see, the instruction go to K means PC equal to 0. During the time 30 to 40, we shall read the instruction. Then the value of the PC, just like any other variable, will change. So the change of PC will be at time t equal to 45. At time t equal to 40, the value of PC 0 on is 4 on had become 4. Yes, IF is the first. So the instruction number print D has been fetched. Do you realize it? Yes, there are methods. Its solutions are mostly at the level of the software, not at the level of hardware. Not mostly, always. You can read the book of Morris Mannon. Of course, partly I will also be teaching it. Sudarshan, I told to you. Because instruction fetch means we shall read the instruction. Is it correct? Unless we read the instruction, how we can do the instruction? You see, in practice, go to K, it is an infinite loop only. Are bhai, it is an infinite loop. We have seen such infinite loops so often. Even you do it in computers, you will find it is an infinite loop. Is it correct? Yes, so it will only print. That is why I am saying 23, 67, 82, 45, 23, 67, 82, 45 in infinity. But 45 is also a part of the loop. That is what one should realize. During 30 to 40, we are reading the statement PC equal to 0. Then from between 40 to 50, PC will actually be made 0. I need some time to read the question, and then I will answer your question. Don't you think it takes time? During the time 30 to 40, we are simply reading machine code of PC equal to 0. Is this all right to you? Any more doubt you ask? Yes. J equal to 80 in above example. Where is J equal to 80? Yes. It will store in, it has only two stages, an instruction fetch and store result. And PC equal to 0 is also having two stages, instruction fetch and store result. Is this clear to you? It is not clear to me what you are saying. U equal to 73 is store result. Yes. J equal to 80 is also a store result. So two store results can be done at the same time. The problem would have come if we would have written here U equal to 80. Then what would have happened? Then two store results are getting ha. Yes. One has to think how to resolve this. Okay. One has to think, yes. Yes, you are correct. That is correct. Is it correct? Okay. One has to think, yes, that has to be handled. Whatever you are saying is to be handled. But for the timing, let us assume it can be done. Yes, it is not possible. Yes, PC equal to 0 is happening somewhere between time 40 to 50. Yes. Any more doubt? Any more doubt? Few people were talking about the matrix taught last time. Prakash and few other students were talking about this. You can ask your doubt now. You see, instruction fetch of print D will start at time t equal to 40. Which instruction to be fetched? Depending upon the value of PC. At time t equal to 40, PC is 4. And somewhere time 45 to 50, PC is 0. Do you realize it? So at time t equal to 40, PC is 4. Not 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So fourth instruction is fetched. Is this thing clear to you, Debru? Any more doubt? Any more doubt? Any question? Yes, you have joined. Yes, are you in the Koa class? Yes, Mandel, are you in a Koa class?